Page 82, they're introducing you to the key of D major. So go ahead and start doing the scale for D major. 1 octave up and down is good enough. Just learn the scale and which notes are in the scale, because it's got 2 sharps. The F sharp's always first, and the C sharp. There. So you play on all the white keys except F sharp and C sharp. And you'll find this the scale follows the same whole step, half step pattern that we've had. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. It follows that pattern all the way up. You can check it. It does. So I don't like using the music for that. I prefer to use the video. For the scales, I want you to focus on the keys and the fingers and what's going on down here on the keyboard. You'll learn to recognize the stuff in the music when you get to it. The chords, the bottom of the page, well, the 1 chord is the D chord, because it has an F sharp in the key signature, so we got to use F sharp. The 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a G chord. Except, as usual, I'm just putting the D on bottom because I don't want to move, so it's here. And then the 5, 7 chord, or the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 chord is the A chord. Remember the C sharp? It's in the key signature. F sharp and C sharp. Yeah. I add the 7th. I get a 5-7 chord or an A7 chord. I'm going to put the C sharp on the bottom. So here I'm not using the E. So it's here. That way I get them all without moving around. Those are the primary chords for the key of D major. You need to know them. Eventually, you don't have to, oh, I got to learn them right now. No, we're going to get them. You need to be familiar with what they are. You learn to recognize them in the music, and that way you're just treating it as one thing and not all these notes. Let me know if you have any questions on any of this. Keep in mind that the names of them, the tonic, subdominant, and dominant. Yeah, the tonic is step 1, and D major would be a D. The subdominant, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the 4 chord. That's a G. And then the dominant, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the A. The dominant, okay.